Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Lab Solidworks tutorial series. Today in this video we are going to talk about one of the most powerful command called swept. Swept is used to create a boss base, cut or surface by moving a profile or section along a path, and you can control the shape by using the guide curve, which is an optional features, and a sweep might be simple or as well as complex. Now I will trail you some tricks that you need to remember before doing the sweep. The profile must be closed for a boss base kind of sweep, whereas it can be open or closed for the surface. And the path which you are going to use in the sweep operation, that might be open or close. And the path you are using, that might be a sketch, that might be edge of existing model, anything. The path has to intersect the plane of the profile, and the guide curve must be coincident with the profile or with a point in the profile. So these are the things that you have to remember while you are going for the sweep operations. So let's open a part here first. Click on the new, go for part. Now here I'll just make some sketch here. So I'll just take the right plane and I'll go for the sketch. So first I will select here one profile. So I have taken here ellipse as my profile. You can see I'll be giving the dimension, let it be like 100, and you can give the minor axis 50. And I'll be giving the relation here, this and this. Give the relation horizontal to make it fully defined. Now you can see here your profile is ready. Now I'll just create a path. Here I will select the front plane and go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane. And I'll draw here one straight line which I will be using as my path. Let it be like this. Come out from the sketch. Now you can see here I'll go for the sweep operations. Click on the sweep. So in the starting itself you have two options, sketch profile and circular profile. First I will show you the sketch profile. You can see here the profile I have taken in the sketch, which is this ellipse. So already I have told you that profile has to be closed. Here you can see it's showing that you have to select the profile here. So I'm selecting this ellipse as my profile, and this is my path. Click over here. You can see in the preview itself it will generate the sweep like this. You can do lot of things by using sweep tools. Already I have told that we can create the sweep simple as well as complex. I'll just cancel this here. I'll change here. I'll just do delete selection. I'll go with this clear selection here, and here you have one more option you can see, which is circular profile. Just click on this. Here you don't need to select any kind of profile because we have selected here the profile which is circular. So by default you will be getting a circular profile where you need to specify the diameter of that circle. So here you need to just select the path which is like this. Now you can see here you can vary the diameter. It will create a sweep. Here I have taken the path which is a straight line. You can take any curve also by using spline tools. You can choose any kind of path. Hope you have understood. And you can see here you have here one more option, thin features. Already I have explained this thin features in the extrude and revolve tutorials. If you want to study those videos, you can go to the description box. Link has given. You can study those videos also. Just uncheck this. Now I will cancel this and I will explain other things. Here I will add something. So again I will choose the front plane and I will go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane. So here I will choose one spline and I will make a sketch which is like this. Okay, before that I will do one thing. I will click on this and I will convert this into sketch entities, and then I will convert into construction geometry, and I will be using this as my reference. I'll just take a spline and I'll make a shape which is like this. Now you can see I have created a path. I mean, this I will use as a guide curve. I have created a guide curve and I'll give some relation here. I'll select this, this, this and this point, give the relation horizontal, and I'll adjust it little bit. You can see I'll take this point, and this point. I'll be giving the relation horizontal. Go with this, okay, and I'll give this point and this point. I'll be giving a relation vertical. Now just go with this, okay. Now you can see here I will use this as my guide curve. Actually you can use multiple guide curve. So if you want to create multiple guide curve, you have to go for other sketch. Like I will use here multiple guide curve, more than one. So make it normal to the plane. I'll do one thing, I'll use this one only. Go for the convert entities and I'll just make it construction geometry, and you can click on this and go for mirror, and you can do the mirror about. Before that I will do this also, convert entities. Click on this, click on the convert entities, go for OK. Then I will convert it into construction geometry, and I will go for the mirror here, and I will mirror this about to this. Now just go with the OK. Now you can see here I will come out from the sketch. Now you can see okay, I have converted into construction geometry. That's what it's got, mirror in terms of construction geometry. I'll convert into continuous line here. Click on this and convert into continuous lines. Now come out from the sketch. Now you can notice here one thing. This is my profile separate sketch. This is my path, and these two are my guide curve. All are separate sketch, but we could use both the profile in a single sketch itself by using the selection manager, but I'm not going to explain you the selection manager concept to this video. So now go for the sweep, click on the profile, and this is my path, and here you can see here you have so many options. Click on this, you can choose here, this is your guide curve and this is your second guide curve. Now you can see here you will be getting a shape which is like this. Just go with the OK. This is your sweep. Actually you can use this technique while you are designing the handle of any hand tools. I'll make separate tutorials on that models. Now I'll explain other things also. Hope you have understood. Now I will do here one thing. I'll change this. I have here one more sketch. This is one simple sketch. Actually you can see nothing is there. I just did it to save the time. Just come out from the sketch, make it normal to this. Now I'll just do one thing. I'll just take a plane, click on the reference geometry plane, then from here itself you can click on the sketch and you can click on this point, this line. So already I have explained how to generate the planes in my previous tutorials. If you want to study those videos, the link is given in the description box. You can study those videos also. Now I will make a sketch on this plane and just make it normal to the plane. I'll just do here one simple rectangle. Come out from the sketch. Now you can see this is my profile and this is my path. Click on the sweep and profile got selected already. Now I need to select the path. Click on this path. Already I have explained the guide curve. Now I will enter into the option. Inside this option you have first feature which is follow path and other one is keep normal. So whenever you are going with this follow path, you can see here this is follow path. In follow path the section remain at the same angle with respect to the path at all times. Now you can see here, but I will just change it. I will go with this keep normal constant. Now you can see here. So what is happening here? Now see here the orientation here got changed. The keep normal constant, the section remain parallel to the beginning section at all times irrespective of the tangent vector of the path. Now you can see here. So hope you understood this, and you can see here I'll just do here keep follow path. You have one more option here which is merge tangent faces. So what will happen if you go with this merge tangent faces, you can see now these are not visible. You can see here the faces are not visible. Here if you merge it, this section will not be visible. Now I'll just go with this. Okay, you can see merge tangent faces. I have unchecked this. So what will happen? See here, this profile where the transition is taking place, that will be visible. But in the same way, I will just edit it. Click on the edit. I'll just merge this. You can see here those transition, those profile will not be visible in the model. Hope you have understood. Next, I'll edit this. Now you can see here, you have here one more option, specify twist value. What you can do, you can provide the twist value also there, like I'll be going with this specify twist value. So whenever you are taking any twist value, you can give the twist input in 3 ways. The first one is degrees, other one is radius, other one is revolution. How many number of revolution you want to give. So I'll give there with a degree only. I'll give here certain, like I'm giving here 90 degree. Now you can see what will happen. So you can see here the profile getting twist like this. Okay, instead of this you will understand this feature in better way with other geometry. So I'll just make a new part, make this. I'll just take the top plane, I'll go for the circle and I will draw here one circle like this. Let me give any diameter, like okay 150 is enough. This point and this circle I'll be giving the relation coincident. Now come out from the sketch. You can give one relation. This you want to make it horizontal, you can keep this horizontal. Now come out from this sketch. I'll take here the front plane. Now you can see here your front plane. Go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Now I will go for the center rectangle and I'll choose here one rectangle and I'll be giving here, let it be, okay, I'm not making this fully defined. Come out from this. Already I have explained that path may be closed and as well as open, but profile has to be closed in the solid features where we are dealing with the base boss. Now I'll go for the sweep features here. Click on the sweep. Now you can see here the profile is already selected. Now I'll choose here path. Now you can see you are getting like this. So now I can do one thing here. Go to this features, follow path. I'll choose here specify the twist value and you can give the twist value, like I'm giving here 720 degree. Now you can see here. So go with this. Okay. Now you can see here you can create the model like this also by using the sweep. So this is all about your sweep command, and I will bring more tutorials on sweep command so that you will understand that how to use all these features in the model itself. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more tutorials on Solidworks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.